Hello once again, this is James and welcome to my training videos. Today we are going to look at how to perform simple calculations in Microsoft Word. For example, if you have the table below and you might want to add the total marks somebody got, and you may also want to get the average score per subject. How do we do this? First of all, you will have to click in your table, then come up here to Table Tools. Then in the Table Tools, you will come to Layout. On the Layout tab, there is where you see FX formula. To mean that's where you can add your formulas from. Then you have to click where you want the answer to be inserted. Then you come back and you click FX formula. By default, it will assume that you want to get the sum of the figures to the left. If that's what you want, you simply go ahead and you say okay, and there you go, you get your answer. If I want to do for the next one, watch what happens. This time now it will say sum above it, meaning it will add this 256 plus any other figure. Of course it's only the one which is there, so but we will still want it to get the answers across. So what we shall do, we'll instead choose left, then you still say okay, and it will give us the answers. You still go back, you'd say sum still left, and okay, and there you go. So that is how you could end up doing those. Now supposing we wanted to do the average down here. So what we do? Procedure is kind of the same. Still we'll come back to our FX. Then it will say by default, since the figures are above, it wants to sum the figures which are above. But this time we're not interested in sum. Instead we're interested in average. So what we can do, we can select that sum and we say average. It will add there the what average. You can delete sum, or you can simply type the whole thing again, equal signs average, open brackets, then you say left. That is if the averages you are left to right, or you can simply say above, which is in this case. It can even be left depending on where your figures are. So after that you'd say okay, and there you'll get your average. If we try it again, by default it gives you sum, so you could simply just come and rub away the sum, type average, then yes, you want it above, and that's it. Again we go back. As we said, by default the function given is sum, but you can always change that to what we prefer, that is average, and there you go. So this is how you get the average. So there are quite a number of functions which you can use there. As you can see, all of these can be used to help you do what you want. As you said, there is a number of functions which you can pick from to help you do your business, as you have seen. So that is what happens with simple calculations you can perform in Word. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.